In this video I will show you 3 different ways to build a wall like this. So let's get started. I'm just kidding guys. In this video I will show you 3 different ways to build a wall like this. So for this first build you need this type of pieces. I will add a link below in the description for each type of piece. So let's get started. So for the second build you need these pieces. Just be sure you take a darker color and a lighter color to combine. Also use a masonry brick. For the last build you need these type of pieces. I made a brick by myself and I will show you how to do that. Thanks for watching guys. If you want to see more how-to videos from this channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification button on, and I'll see you in the next video of Brick It.